little sun, shining bright. Two little birds in happy flight. Three blue fish swim in the sea. Tall trees wave at me. Five stars start to glow. Pretty flowers gently grow. A for apple, count to 10. Let's sing it all again. Happy hearts and smiling faces. Learning takes us wonderful places. 1 to 10 and A to Z. Learning is fun for you and me. 11 butterflies dance in the air. 9 fluffy smiles reach the sky. Letters, numbers, every day help us learn and laugh and play. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning makes our day complete. Woo! A for apple, red and bright. Red and bright. B for ball, roll it right. Roll it right. C for cat, soft and sweet. Learning letters is a treat. ABC, sing with me, happy as can always be. Let's take a pencil in your hand. We will draw together. Yes, we can. Start with a curve, nice and slow. Watch your umbrella start to grow. Draw, draw umbrella. Easy steps to get